Hello there, welcome to lesson 3, where I teach you to harmonise a simple melody and also teach you a few more chords. Okay, now we've looked at the harmony that you produce using basic chords. The chord of C, C, E, G, chord of F, F, A, C, the chord of G, G, B, D, and we add to that F at the top, G, B, D, F. That's known as G7th, and that resolves into the chord of C. Now, I wanted to show you how I would harmonise a simple melody. For that we need one further chord for the harmony, and that is C7th. Just as we created G7th, G, 2 tones above for B, 1.5 tones above for D, and 1.5 tones above D for F. For G7th, similarly for C7th, it's C, 2 tones to E, 1.5 tones to G, and 1.5 tones to B flat. First inversion of that is E, G, B flat, C. Second inversion, G, B flat, C, E. Third inversion, B flat, C, E, G. And back to the root. Now this 7th chord resolves onto the chord of F. C7th, F. Just as G7th resolves onto the chord of C. If you want to know what chord a 7th chord resolves onto, you count up from the first note of the 7th chord, in this case C, and we go C to D is 1 tone, you have D flat in between. D to E is 1 tone, you have E flat in between. And E to F is half a tone or semitone. There's no note in between. So C to F is 2.5 tones. So C7th resolves onto the chord of F, which is 2.5 tones above it. This happens to be the second inversion of F, CFA, but that doesn't matter. It could be any inversion of F. You could have, that's the root position, FAC. So now we've got all the chords we need, and I just wanted to show you how I would harmonise Happy Birthday to You in the key of C. This is the right hand, G, G, A, G, C, B, G, G, A, G, D, C, G, 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 E, C, B, A, F, F, E, C, D, C. Start off in the left hand with the chord of C. Change to G7th, Stay with G7th. Back to C in the left hand. Add B flat to make C7th. Change to the chord of F in the left hand. C, G7th, C. Right, well, that was lesson 3. If you have any questions, please send them in and I'll try and answer them. And in lesson 4, we'll look at even more chords, which will prepare us for composing melodies. Thank you.